So what inspired me to start All Things Made New was seeing the kids and the opportunities that were ahead of them. I taught elementary school here in this community and would see kids who didn't have a lot financially, but they had a lot of optimism and motivation for doing things in life and being someone special. And then once they would hit middle school, just the peer pressure that they would face, the bullying, the suicide attempts, the drugs, alcohol, teen pregnancy, all the things that were negative that were facing them, and it was like something has to change. It was like there needed to be a constant, some kind of a connector that would walk through those adolescent years with them to help be that guide, to be a foundation, a soft place to land.
I was going through some stuff with her. She was experiencing a lot of stuff during school. The school sent a flyer and it was All Things Made New, and I looked into it, I researched it, and I'm like, I'm gonna try it. And I started bringing her here and she flourished.
It was just like a bond because she like understood things that I didn't even understand myself. So it was really nice to find someone like that.
I've been coming here since I was in 7th grade, which was back in 2018. A lot of people come in here one way, but they don't leave the same. They get to experience friendship, community, in which sometimes it's an escape from their reality, sadly.
This day has been a long time coming, and we're so happy to be here to celebrate our partnership with All Things Made New.
Today we're celebrating more than a partnership, we're celebrating a shared commitment to something that lies at the very heart of our mission: safety, encouragement, and transformation for our youth. At All Things Made New, we believe every young person deserves a safe place, a place to be heard, to be seen, and to grow.
At ADT, we protect what matters most. We create safety, not just in homes and businesses, but in hearts. And at All Things Made New, we do the same. We create spaces where young people feel safe enough to dream, to grow, and to become who they were always meant to be.
I think it gave me more confidence in just socializing, and it just allowed me to refine what I knew just about being a young man growing up in this world.
Everybody will love this place once they get to know it.
This is a gift, and we have this beautiful gift that we are able to share with others, whether it's hope, love, and a space to be in.